Today we're going to make New England clam chowder on the hearth, Mercy Pottle style. Join me.
Well, this will be something to watch. That girl in the hearth and no bonnet.
We've been patient. Let's start with the salt pork.
She vacuumed the hearth last week. Patience has its limits.
Dice it fine. Yes, like that. Not too lean. You want fat to hold the flavor, like a good scandal.
Oh, for heaven's sake, Mercy. She didn't cut it. She's going to have problems when they slither around.
When it's crisp, take it out. Use the fat for the onions.
The fire is not hot enough. She's going to have trouble. Yes, child. The coals will help. It's going to topple. There will be trouble.
Now the potatoes. Cut them firm, not too soft. Let them know heat, but not suffering. We used to store ours in the root cellar beside the whiskey. Guess which one ran out first? Now onions. Let them soften, not brown. This is a chowder, not a funeral pyre.
Not enough heat. You need more coals. Focus on the fire. Oh, Mercy. I told you she's hopeless in the kitchen.
Not enough fire here.
No. Watch the ashes. You put them in the pork.
I just put the ashes in the soup.
She's ruined the whole batch. Now you have to start all over. I told you she was hopeless, Mercy. She washed the bacon and put it back in the soup. What the blazings is that wood? He'll burn the house down. Watch his spark. He's filling the soup with wood. I can't even watch this. Look at the sparks fly. Why she's going to burn down the house. It's been here for 250 years and one day in the hearth and it's all over.
Now add the clam liquor, and don't flinch when it smells like the harbor at low tide.
She added the clam liquor, just like that. No blessing. Deliver us from undercooked shellfish.
Now here comes the part she hates.
A secret that shortens your lifespan.
Pour in the cream, dear.
It's gluttony.
It's Tuesday. She's already committed to cream, dear. Stop wringing your bonnet. Oh, how I love a good chowder. I used to make it for the sailors down by the docks. They said mine could wake the dead, though clearly that wasn't necessary. They said it was creamy and smooth like a prayer. I took that as a compliment. You taste it, and then you add pepper until Temperance looks concerned. They always said I made a better chowder than she did.
At least you didn't burn the onions. That's something. Okay, be careful not to curdle the cream. Heat it just a bit till warm. That's it. Take it off the fire now. Look at all the charcoal in that soup. It's a disgrace. You're lucky you already caught a man, but if you can keep him, that will be the next question with your pathetic culinary skills.
Time to eat, Tom. Need a little bowl to put this in.
That's it. Look at that. That's survival in a pot.
It'll never hold up in winter.
It's good.
You are.
Very good. Really good.